This is the demo of the shell catcher made by LPG Works for the Fabarm L4S Sporting 12-gauge semi-auto. The shell catcher is designed to hook over the loading port and then over the ejection port. And I will show you that by first you want to go ahead and lock the bolt back, and then you want to hook the bottom of the shell catcher onto the loading port, up over the ejection port, and it should sit all the way back like that. And to load the gun, you want to drop the shell brass end first into the ejection port, and I will do 3 rounds to show you how it works. You can remove the spent shells by pulling the shell forward and out where you dropped it in. And to remove it, you simply pull away from the ejection port, straight down to remove it off your gun. These are now available on the website, and you can find them at lpgworks.com. Thank you for watching.